Hello, all my crafty friends. I am making this video today to show you how easy it is to put together a shaker card. I am going to feature our Ladybug shaker. Look how adorable both these cards are. You can shake your little sequins in there, and then the Ladybug's wings close to cover up your sentiment. How adorable is that? Now, I did use the Hello Ladybug stamp set with the Ladybug shaker window die set. I did use my Cuttlebug to cut out these pieces. So it comes with the 2 wings and your body, and then you just need a 3-inch circle for your back where you would stamp your sentiment. The other thing you are going to want are some sequins. I'm going to use these silver loose sequins that we do sell, and I am going to mix it with our silver star confetti because I just am obsessed with these cute little stars. So I have a few that I'm going to show you how easy it is to actually put the shaker window itself together. So I hope you enjoy this video and you learn something new. Okay, so we are going to put together some of these windows, and they will end up looking like this when we are done. Well, and then a ladybug, but this is what I want to show you how to do and how easy it is. So I do have our shaker windows, foam and acetate, which come in a pack of 6. It comes with your acetate and then your foam circles. So the awesome thing about these is, if you can see, there's that ring that you want to use for your shaker, and then it has all of these pop-ups right there in the middle that are bonus 3D foam tape for you to use. So I love that about these shaker windows. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do one slowly, and I'll talk you through it. And then I will speed up the video so you can watch me do the other ones. Now I am going to take the foam piece here, and I am actually going to peel off this circle piece. I find it easiest if I start it, put my finger here, see if I can focus, and pull up, just so I have that little bit of clearance right there. And then I'm going to slowly pull my finger off so I don't take off any of that adhesive. And I'm going to grab this by the sides. So I am holding it by the side of the ring as opposed to the sticky part of the ring. And then I'm going to pull this back and just slowly go around and separate the ring from the rest of the adhesive pieces of foam. Now this is not a fast process. This is going to take a minute. And after you do it a few times, you get better at it. Like my first one, I was like, oh, this is a pain in the butt. But I just made 12 of them in no time flat. So, yeah. So I have this on. It still has the protective layer on one side. So I'm going to lay it down. Now, the reason I'm going to lay it down is I want it to take its circle form. I don't want to ruin that. So let's just zoom in a little here. Now, what I'm going to do is I have taken my anti-static pouch and I have covered my sentiment with that. Now, the reason I did that is because when I put my sequins on here, I don't want them to get stuck everywhere. I want them to flow loosely. Okay? Now, I'm just going to take this circle and I'm going to lay it over the foam ring and eyeball it and push it down so that now this has foam around our sentiment. Again, I'm just going to take and rub along those edges of that foam ring some of this anti-static pouch because I want my sequins to glide around it, right? Okay, so I'm just going to mix up my sequins here. Less is more in this case. And after you do one, you'll realize, okay, this is about how many I want, or this is too many. And like I said, I am mixing the two because I'm obsessed with this silver star confetti. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of our adhesive pieces here, our acetates, and I'm just going to rub it with my finger and it does have a protective layer on it. So you want to make sure that you take that off before you put it together. And then you just throw that piece away. Again, rubbing it with my anti-static pouch. Now when I do this, those sequins are going to cling up to, or they can, to this acetate. And I'm just eyeballing again and putting that acetate piece down. Oh, it helps if you take off the sticky. Okay, so I'm going to take off this sticky first so that the acetate actually sticks to it. And then I'm going to eyeball where I want. Ooh. See, these are the things that can happen. Okay, you don't want any of your sequins on this. Okay, I'm going to eyeball it and just place it down around and push it. And then what you're going to do is you're going to tap this because you want to make sure that your sequins go down to the bottom. So yes, I had a little pain with it, but you might too. And that's just going to be the name of the game. But the more you do, the better you'll get at it. So if you watch when I speed up this video and I do the next 4, I will get better and better as I do it. So I hope you can watch this. If you need to rewind on see what we just did, you can. But I am going to go ahead and do these 4 a little bit faster. Okay, as you can see, getting that acetate cover off can sometimes be a little bit of pain in the butt. And what you saw was me with some orange washi tape, just trying to get it to stick to the washi tape so I could pull it off. It usually works. My washi tape, I had been using it for the 12 that I just made, so I think if I had a stickier piece, it would have worked better. Because it was working really great when I made the other ones. So now I have my shaker made, and which is the basis of how you make every shaker. You could then go cut a ring to cover this, or you could cover a whole card front and just cut a circle out of it. But this is your basis of how to make a shaker using the shaker window foam and acetate with some sequins. And you could stamp any sentiment in there. But I am going to show you how to put this ladybug together. So we have our 2 wings. And if you see here, the polka dots on this wing go closer to this edge, whereas these ones have a little bit of a gap. Now, the reasoning for that is you want to make sure that the one that have the polka dots closer to the edge is on top. That way, when your wings are closed, you don't have a gap of your polka dots. So I am using a brad, and I'm just going to stack these 3 pieces on top of each other. and not drop the brad. Okay, and then I will open it. And you want to make sure that it's closed, or yeah, opened, closed, really well. So I'm just using my scissors and I'm pushing down on that brad to make sure that it is expanded all the way. And then I'm even going to put a little bit of adhesive right over the top of it, just so it stays in place. Now I want to open my wings all the way so that I could put adhesive around the body of this ladybug, so that when I place it over my shaker, it covers all of that foam that gives you that little bit of space to have the shaker. Okay. Now I want my ladybug to be right up straight, my sentiment with the ladybug. Just eyeball that and press it down. And now you have your cute ladybug with the wings that close. So you can do lots of things with these. You could put these on scrapbook layouts. You could make a gift tag out of it and write on the back. Or you can make cards with it, which is what I chose to do. And again, this stamp set, it does have the little antennas that you can use, the little black, so you can stamp on the polka dots of the wings. This one, I went ahead and used a shimmer pen to make the dots a little bit more sparkly, if you can see that. So lots of fun things you can do when making these shakers. I hope you enjoyed this video, that you learned something new. If you like to find more videos like this one, go ahead and push that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I will have links down below for all the products that I use. Go get yours before they are gone. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.